Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to go to guys Lava Mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Lava Mobile guys Talkback stop setting. How to stop Talkback in Lava Mobile. Friends, you want to stop Talkback in Lava Mobile, so how to stop Talkback one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So friends, in your Lava Mobile you have enabled Talkback, and friends now you want to disable. So how to disable Talkback. So one by one, step by step, we will talk about. So first of all, guys, use your two finger to stop talk back. And guys, if you use one finger, guys, you cannot stop talk back. Use two finger. One tap on phone setting and then double tap on setting. Friends, click here Wi-Fi setting. Use your two finger and guys again scroll. Intelligent assistant setting, press one tap, double tap here. Again scroll with two finger, and thus if you use one finger, friends, you cannot stop talk back. Use your two finger. Last option, accessibility setting, one tap and press double tap, continue. Talkback setting, press one tap, double tap. Use talkback setting, double tap here, stop button. So friends, you want to stop talkback in your Lava Mobile. So friends, you can see double tap talkback will stop in Lava Mobile. So when double tap here and when talkback will stop in your Lava Mobile. And friends, if you one tap, you cannot stop talkback. Double tap, continue. Talkback will stop, and friends, you don't know about talkback, so friends, you can read from here this notification how to use talkback. So like that friends, you can stop talkback in your Lava Mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends understood how to stop talkback. After stop talkback friends, you can use your phone with one finger. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.